Hello, my name is John Paul Grogan. I'm the product director here at Frugalpac, and sustainable packaging has just got an upgrade. Okay, so first we developed FBAM2, or our Frugal Bottle Assembly Machine. The Frugal Bottle Assembly Machine is capable of 2.5 million bottles per year, but demand has grown for our environmentally friendly bottles and we needed something faster. So we'd like to introduce FBAM2, a machine capable of in excess of 14 million Frugal bottles a year. FBAM2 has a few fundamental differences to the older technology. First of all, we don't melt the glue twice. We melt the glue as the bottle is being assembled, which saves significant amounts of energy per bottle. The second is the base. No more base tabs that bond the bottom of the bottle, which has produced a much flatter, more aesthetically pleasing base design. It's capable of producing a bottle that's 70 grams when compared to a 400-gram glass bottle. There's been a number of geometry changes which has made the bottle sleeker, less creases, less folds, and altogether makes a stronger, lighter, better Frugal bottle. We now produce all of the bottle making process steps in one machine, so it's much more compact in our customers' factories. With twice the output, it also offers a much faster return on investment.
Well, since its launch in 2020, the Frugal bottle has really evolved into the marketplace and been accepted by consumers and customers, particularly the younger consumers, are really embracing the product. Frugal bottle was designed to reduce carbon. We can prove that through our independent life cycle analysis. It's a lower weight, it's offering a real point of difference to the market. But the real advance has now come with a new machine platform, FBAM2, that delivers a bottle at a significantly lower price and with scale, which is one of the areas that we've really been focused on in the last couple of years. The Frugal bottle has been well accepted by the consumer, particularly the younger consumer, which is a concern to the wine and spirits industry, but also to customers and retailers who have embraced the product and taken it to market all around the world. 3 machines in market, 1 in the UK, 2 in North America, soon to be in Australia, and we're expecting to see the FBAM2 really drive home significant Frugal bottle sales around the world.